Here's a 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche. No matter how the adventure unfolds, you're ready for it with the versatility of this Avalanche. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: external memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, V8 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
For your cure for the common commute, visit today. We're conveniently located at 11185 Alpharetta Highway in Roswell, Georgia.